Did you know that 75% of people experience some level of anxiety when it comes to public speaking? I want to share the top 3 things you can do today to become a better public speaker, which is one of the most important things you can do to become a successful legal nurse consultant and business owner. I'm Randy, and today I'm sharing my journey from being terrified of public speaking to confidently presenting in front of thousands of people, and how you can do the same. And by the end of this video, you're going to have the tools to excel as a public speaker. So let me start by taking you back to my college days. Public speaking was my least favorite subject. I remember one particular speech where I had to stand in front of the class and present on a topic that I had prepared for weeks. I was so nervous. My hands were shaking. My voice was trembling. I stumbled over my words. I had no clue what to do with my hands. And I went from between being stiff as a board to anxiously shifting from one foot to another. And at one point, I remember I tried to walk and I even tripped over my own feet and nearly fell. Yeah, it was mortifying. And that experience really stuck with me for years. Even as I moved up in my career as an executive healthcare leader, I still dreaded public speaking. Presenting to the board of directors, terrifying. Leading staff meetings with 80 to 100 people staring at me, absolutely nerve-wracking. But here's the thing, I didn't let fear stop me. I knew that effective communication was essential to my success. So I kept pushing myself to improve. So how did I go from being terrified of public speaking to confidently presenting in front of large audiences? Well, it wasn't easy, and it didn't happen overnight. But over time, I developed strategies that helped me overcome my fear and become a more effective communicator. And today, my entire career is based on public speaking, whether it's presenting to attorneys or mentoring nurses, leading training sessions, presenting at events, or being a guest on podcasts. The great part is I've been able to use my experience to help hundreds of nurses like you become successful LNC entrepreneurs by teaching them how to communicate confidently the same way that I learned. And the truth is, anyone can become good at public speaking if you know the right steps and you continue to practice. And that brings me to the top 3 things that you can do today to become a better public speaker. Here are the 3 things that really helped me overcome my fear of public speaking and how they can help you too. Number 1, prepare. The more prepared you are, the more confident you're going to feel. Practice whatever it is you're going to say, your presentation or your pitch or whatever, multiple times. And if possible, rehearse it in front of a friend or a colleague who can give you feedback. Record yourself and listen to yourself giving the pitch or the presentation. You'll be surprised at how bad you sound the first few times. Number 2, focus on your audience, not yourself. Don't worry about how you sound or look. Focus on delivering value to your audience. Remember that audience that you're talking to is there to learn from you. They're not there to judge you. Focus on your audience and how you can help them, and it becomes much easier. Number 3, start small and build your confidence. You don't have to start with some huge audience. Begin just by speaking in front of smaller groups. Then gradually work your way up to larger audiences. Every success you have is going to build your confidence. I know it sounds simple, but if you've got nerves like I did when I first started, simple may not translate into easy. These 3 strategies, though, really made a world of difference for me, and I know they can help you too. So if you're ready to overcome your fear of public speaking and take your career to the next level as a legal nurse, I would be honored to help you get there. At Catalyst, we are committed to your success, and we walk with you every step of the way. And that includes communication and public speaking. Click the link below and you can watch our free introductory training. You can book a call with us. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you watching.